So this is the video to show this is status post MVR. This is mitral valve prosthesis. You can see this is TTK Chitra valve, and there is a tricuspid ring. You can see this is a tricuspid ring. This is a St. Jude tailored ring. This is a status post annuloplasty to tricuspid valve. You can see this ring. This is a customizable ring. This is 32 mm ring, tailored ring in the place of tricuspid. This patient had severe TR and severe MS, and he underwent tricuspid annuloplasty and MVR. So these sort of tricuspid rings are customizable with size and this band. So surgeon decides what to do, whether it is a annuloplasty or complete replacement. So this video is to show the tricuspid annuloplasty. This is a status post tricuspid annuloplasty, and there is a tricuspid ring.